Here's a look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, July 19th, 2011. Um, what we've got here are the profiles, and this was yesterday's regular trading hours, and then this is today. The one in the middle here, of course, is what happened overnight. Now, we had mentioned that the 4 area was crucial, and that if the market could hold above that, we could have a nice move. And then the next target was up, I think I had it at around 12 up in here. Which is basically what the market did overnight. It started below 4, but held nicely above 4, and then did reach, actually the high overnight was 1150, so just came within a couple ticks of that 12 area. The market then opened right here in the regular trading hours, but quickly moved up and hit in around the, I think it was around the 17 area, 16. But you can see that it did in essence hold above that 12. Here's the 12 right here. So the market opened here, moved above it, just dipped below it just for a little bit here, and then continued on higher. So thinking that yes, above 4 positive, above 12 positive, the market keeps moving. So our support right now is in around 16, and we're certainly more on the bullish bias than the bearish. Although we're not overly bullish. We would like to see it hold above 30 before we really get bullish, but things are looking good right now. As long as it holds above 16, we will stay on the bullish side of the market. These are the profiles of the regular trading hours. If you remember, I'd actually said on Friday that I thought the market was due for a pretty good move. This was Friday right here, and I actually thought it had the potential to move higher. And of course the market did not. It moved lower Sunday evening and Monday. But look at the tremendous move that we have now had off of that low, which was down around 1290 and up to 1324. So almost a 35-point move from the low of trading yesterday to the high today. So I think we've probably got more to come. Tomorrow there's existing home sales, or existing housing starts, I should say. And then, of course, on Friday we've got the jobless claims and the Philly Fed. So tomorrow might be a bit of a stalemate kind of day, but as long as that 16 area can hold, I think we're going to be okay. Here is the profiles from the, I'm sorry, this is just our chart with our software. So you can see the trades that we had today. There's no down arrows, so we had no short trades triggered. Here's an up blue arrow, an up blue arrow, an up blue arrow, and an up blue arrow. So we actually had, I'm sorry, we had the other one early right here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 5 indications today. This last one here is after the top of the hour, so I'm not going to consider that. So we had 5 indications to get long today. The first one here, this indication actually stopped here, and as you can see, it did come down to that price quite a bit later, and did hold as support. We had another trade at that time which got us long right here. So that had a nice good support. As you can see, it came from this green patch area and had a nice move higher in essence for the rest of the day. This next trade here, here's the dashed line on this one. The market never did dip to it here, but we were able to get in on this one right here, so this trade worked out great. Turned around and rallied all the way up here. I think that trade moved about 575 in our favor, so almost 6 points, and so easily reaching our first 2 objectives, and then on the final partial position, 4.25 points. This last trade here we got in here, it did eventually get up to here, but hit our first objective and stopped us out, so we actually had a break even on that trade, as we did on this other one down here. So we had 1, 2, 3 trades today, and I think the most offside we were on any of these trades was 3 ticks. So the market was behaving, which is sort of a strange thing to say to the market, because it's always behaving with something. But so anyway, that's what we're looking at right now, and we'd like to see some more follow through. And as long as that 16 area can hold, we're going to remain on the bullish side. Next target is 28, and after that up to 42. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.